Welcome to Belly Breath. In this guided meditation, we invite you to explore a serene, imaginative escape, a moment to nurture your mind and body, leaving the weight of daily responsibilities behind. Let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Whether you're seated upright or reclined, ensure your position supports relaxation. Let your hands rest gently, palms facing up, a sign to receive the calm that's about to envelop you. Close your eyes softly. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale fully through your mouth. Let's do that twice more. Inhale deeply, feeling your chest expand. And exhale, releasing tension. Once more. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. Imagine yourself stepping into a lush, sunlit forest. The air is crisp and filled with the soft scent of pine and wildflowers. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, casting gentle patterns of light on the forest floor. As you walk along a winding path, feel the earth firm yet soft beneath your feet. Notice how the cool shade mingles with the warmth of sunlight kissing your skin. Each step feels grounding, connecting you to the steady rhythm of nature. Pause for a moment by a gentle brook that meanders through the forest. The water glistens as it flows over smooth stones, producing a soothing melody. Cup your hands and imagine dipping them into the brook. Feel the cool water against your palms, the way it trickles through your fingers. Notice the sound, a soft, bubbling harmony that seems to echo within your heart. Nearby, birds chirp softly, their songs a reminder of the joy in simple moments. Take this scene in fully, with your mind and senses alive and open. Place a hand gently on your heart. Whisper to yourself, either aloud or in your mind, I am grounded. I am at peace. This moment is mine. Repeat these words, feeling their truth resonate within you. I am grounded. I am at peace. This moment is mine. Breathe deeply again, allowing the tranquility of this forest to fill every corner of your being. With each exhale, let go of any lingering stress or tension. When you're ready, take a final look around the forest, knowing you can return here whenever you need. Slowly, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch gently if you'd like. Open your eyes softly, letting the light of your space welcome you back. Thank you for joining this meditation with belly breath. If this journey brought you peace, please like this video, share it with someone who might need a moment of calm, and subscribe for more meditations like this one. Until next time, remember to breathe deeply, live mindfully, and take moments for yourself. You are worth it.